with Steve from Reefs International, and he's going to tell us what he does.
Hi, I'm Steve with Reefs International, and today we are showcasing our product, the Memorial Reef Ball. It's a concrete ball about 5 feet high, 4 to 5 feet, weighs upwards of 500 pounds or more. And what we do is we mix your cremated remains in with the ball, put a nice plaque on it, and then we set it in one of our memorial gardens where it becomes a living legacy and allows you to keep producing and creating new life long after you've gone. Each one of our reef balls will produce about 400 to 500 pounds of biomass a year, feeding local fishermen and the local population, as well as encouraging coral growth, which helps clean the ocean and also works as a carbon sink by taking carbon out of the ocean and actually building the coral skeleton structures with it. We are hoping to get people interested in using this as a viable alternative to simply spreading your ashes on the water. Now you can do a cremation and put them in a reef ball, have a place to go and see whenever you like. If you like the ocean, if you enjoy fish, if you enjoy helping the environment, this is a great product for you and a great way to spend your eternity. Thank you.
Thanks.